front of me is ZTE A73, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google under Autofill service and click on Google Password Manager. Following that, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit this gear next to Password Manager. Then click on this switcher next to Offer to save passwords if it's not already on. Log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here, and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do it now, tap on this plus. Now you can input any website, or click on Select App and click on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!